To unlock the handle, insert the key and turn clockwise. Next, turn the black switch counterclockwise and remove the key. To secure the handle in the unlocked position, insert the key and turn counterclockwise and remove. This will prevent the door from being accidentally locked. To lock the handle, insert the key and turn clockwise. Remove key and turn black switch clockwise. To secure the handle in the locked position, insert the key, turn counterclockwise and remove. This will prevent the door from being unlocked without the key. It's important to note the key only operates the silver portion of the lock cylinder. Do not try and turn the black switch using the key. This may result in breaking keys and damaging the locking mechanism.